In this video, I'll show you how to resolve this error. People are getting the error related to initializing the gaze redirect. Also, some people are getting the error related to the CUDA stream. So what you have to do is, first of all, this person has already given the link to the folder. You have to click on the link. You can find this link in the description of the same video. Click on the link and download this. Click on the download button, but make sure you download both the files. When you download this will give you a pop-up where it will ask you to allow to download multiple files. If you deny that, if you don't allow that pop-up, it will download only one single file. So make sure you download both files. Okay, one file ends with 001, the other file ends with 002. So when I click on this, it will take a little time to zip the folders, zip the files, and after a while, maybe after 2 or 3 minutes, it will show you both the files downloading. Now you can see both the files are started downloading. Once you download the file, you have to extract these files. All right. Now both folders are extracted. So what you have to do is you have to go to the folder number 2 first. Okay, open this folder, go to bin. Okay, copy this file. Okay, again go to folder number 1. You can see which is folder 1 and 2. It's mentioned here. It's 001, 001 and 002. So you have to copy the file from 002 from bin folder, copy this file, go to 001 folder, open this, go to bin folder and paste this file. Now we already pasted this file. All right. Now again in 001 folder, click on samples, go to samples folder. Okay. Now go to external folder, go to OpenCV folder, open bin folder, copy this file. Okay. Now where you have to paste this file, you have to paste this file in 001 folder, open this, go to samples, go to gaze redirect. Okay, open gaze redirect and paste this file here. All right, now go to the video again. In the video you can see in the description of this video, he has already mentioned the code for this recorded video. Copy this, open run.bat, add it in notepad. Okay, remove this, paste this, Control plus S to save this. Now my run.bat is ready. I just need the video to test. So I've already recorded a video. I'll show you this video. This is hello video. This is the test video for gaze redirect. In this, my eyes are not in front of the camera. Right now, I'm just okay, and this is a very small video. My eyes are slightly towards the right. Okay, so I'll just take this video. I'll copy this. I'll paste this in the same folder where we have run.bat. Okay, I'll take its name. This is MP4 file, so I'll copy the name of the file. I'll open run.bat in notepad. Okay, after and I'll paste the name .mp4. Save this. Now here the site CMD, enter, write run.bat, enter, and it will not throw any error now. All the errors are gone. Okay, now I can see test gaze. This is the new video, although it doesn't give you the audio, so I can just extract the audio from my previous video and I can paste on it. All right, so I hope you like this video. I hope you found this video useful. You can sort out all the errors now. Thank you so much for watching. give it a like if you like this video.